Studio is the 3D packaging design solution for Masco artwork. For packaging with labels, Studio can help you to produce better label artwork and create great 3D presentation material. This movie will demonstrate that for a jar of pasta sauce. We begin in Adobe Illustrator with the profile of the jar. Such a profile can be obtained from a technical drawing or, for example, by tracing a photograph. The profile has been split into two paths, one for the glass and one for the lid. First, we revolve both paths around the vertical axis so that we get a round 3D object in two parts. Each part we assign a different material. In Illustrator, the glass material doesn't look transparent yet. We will show in a minute how to make it look better. Next, we add the labels. This particular jar needs 4 labels: a front label, a back label, a top label, and another label that goes all around. Even on round objects, you cannot put a label just anywhere. Studio will warn you if you try to put a label on an impossible location. Also notice how Studio detects that some of the labels are conic. This is important because the artwork for conic labels requires special attention. And here is our shape in the Studio window. Let's do the artwork for the front label first. Because of its position on the jar, this label is conic. So the Studio window shows in 3D how the line of text is optically bending downwards. With one keystroke, a conic warp can be applied to fix this. Now that the text looks horizontal on the jar, we repeat this for the other pieces of art that we wish to compensate. This conic warping is not destructive. That means you can still make a text change afterwards, or release the conic warp. Let us do the same for the back label artwork, warping all necessary elements. We could also warp the barcode, but in this case the printer asked us to keep it straight. To check if everything is aligned, we use Studio's 3D guides. For a better 3D view and to see different substrates and die cuts, we now leave Illustrator and take Shape and Artwork into Studio Visualizer, the real-time realistic packaging visualization tool. In Visualizer, we see the glass is transparent and we can try different label substrates, like a clear label or a metallized label paper or a structured label paper. If the label needs a different die cut, you can add it to the artwork file, and Studio Visualizer will cut away the unwanted parts. If we repeat this for the other 3 labels, we get a view of the total package. You can share this with your client as an image or as a movie. So, if you design or produce label artwork, Studio can help you save time and improve quality, save cost and waste, and avoid errors. In this movie, we use the following Studio components: Designer, Toolkit for labels, and Visualizer.